Thanks for coming to play, Rachel.
Thanks for inviting me.
Oh, are you hungry?
Yeah, a little.
Okay, let me grab you something.
Oh, no, that's okay.
Oh, okay. Well, you can have whatever you want in the fridge.
Okay, thanks.
Sure.
I'll be back in a few.
All right. Take your time.
Okay.
Hey, Rachel. Did you find something?
No, I just can't decide.
Hey, looks like you have an idea.
Oh, I guess I do. Hey, I should take a quick glance in the fridge and then close it while I decide what I want.
That's a great idea. Let's try it.
That'll probably save a lot of electricity.
Sure will.
I think I want a yogurt.
Okay. Yeah!